no, he's there. Tom, you disappeared. Call him again, Tom. Okay. Greg, go ahead.
Go ahead, Greg.
Okay, anybody else for Delta Whiskey 7, Delta Zulu Charlie?
South-northwest.
Go ahead, Jim.
Delta Whiskey 7, Delta Zulu Charlie. Here is Whiskey Alpha 7, Sierra November Whiskey. Whiskey Alpha 7, Sierra November Whiskey. You are 5 and 6. 5 and 6, Troy, QSL.
一種日常嘅 KOSL 嘅通聯啊，佢哋喺度活動啊，一種業餘愛好者嘅活動，一種普通嘅通聯，都係附近1000英里範圍內嘅業餘愛好者嚇。咁呢種有益身心嘅活動呢，就係日常嘅一種愛好。
In the state of Oregon. 7 Therese Troy, thank you very much for being there. And stand by, there may be others. Anyone else for Troy?
I'll try it again.
呢種機器大概都係100瓦先至有呢種即係效果㗎嚇。如果係10瓦、15瓦呢，就基本上去唔到呢個效果嘅。咁佢哋啲基本上都係 Icon 8重洲呢啲咁嘅機器㗎嚇。即係比較高級少少啦嚇。
Good one, Tom.
I guess. What did you give me, a 5.5 or 5.6?
I think it's 6, 5.6. Same as me.
Okay, very good. Delta Whiskey 7, Delta Zulu Charlie. Thank you for your call. We're here every morning. Thank you very much for your call, Troy. 73 from November 6, Zulu Bravo Charlie.
頭先呢部嘢啊，應該要500瓦到嚇個輸出功率。咁呢啲非常專業嘅一個設備嚟㗎。基本上如果100瓦都去唔到呢個效果嘅嚇。
QSL on LOTW, please QSL on LOTW. Thank you. N6ZBC.
頭先呢個主持人嘅機器好靚啊，非常之專業嘅。好似頭先呢種嘅，基本上都2000英里以外㗎啦嚇，非常之遙遠嘅，聲音好微弱。呢啲咁微弱嘅聲音去到2000英里以外，起碼都係。
Whiskey 7 Delta Zulu Charlie, November 7, Echo Kilo Delta. Troy, 5 and 7, 57 in Oregon. I believe we worked yesterday, but I think or the day before. But good to hear you, and for the Philippines, Delta Whiskey 7 Delta Zulu Charlie, November 7, Echo Kilo Delta.
頭先呢一個呢，就因為個功率去到100瓦嘅，所以都還聽得清楚，勉勉強強聽得清楚嚇。呢種通聯活動呢，係佢哋每日基本上朝早都聯絡一次。
Appreciate you being there. Delta Whiskey 7 Delta Zulu Charlie N78KD back to Frank. Okay, very good. All right, anybody else for Troy for Delta Whiskey 7 Delta Zulu Charlie?
Hey, Greg, would you ask him his power, please?
Would I ask what?
Ask him his power.
Oh, yeah, Troy, how much power are you running? How much power are you running this morning, over?
呢台咁嘅8重洲嘅 FT710嗰個降噪呢，就都還可以嚇。基本上啲噪點都唔會出嚟嘅。噪音控制得都還可以嚇。
Yeah, very good. Okay, well, you're doing a fine job. You're 150 watts. You're just doing a beautiful job here. And one of the other stations down in Southern California wanted to know what your working conditions were. Very good. Well, thank you so much for stopping by. You're 150 watts.
呢個就非常之遙遠啦嚇，起碼都1000英里以外嘅，僅能夠收到佢嘅信號嘅啫。呢種一個功率細應該係50瓦度。第二個距離太遠今日嘅天氣亦都唔係好靚嚇，非常之厚嘅雲層，烏雲密布。咁能夠睇到呢度嘅都係超級粉絲嚇，好多謝你嘅收睇嘅。呢台係8重洲嘅 FT710咁呢，佢嘅性能呢，就係屬於中端屬於中端。
Okay, I got Whiskey Papa X-ray. Give me your prefix again. Was it before Whiskey Foxtrot? What is the prefix again? Over.
雖然佢係中端啫，但係佢嘅15級降噪呢都還起作用嘅嚇。
Cut a 4F7. Okay, that's what I got, but it just didn't make sense to me. I wasn't getting it. Number 4 Foxtrot 7 Whiskey Papa X-ray. 4 Foxtrot 7 Whiskey Papa X-ray from NRQ.
我哋試下佢個降噪個按鈕起唔起作用嚇。
Back to you from NR62.
作用唔係好大嚇。
What is my full report? Over. Okay, got you 5 and 7 to your 4 and 6 with me. Okay, very good.
I'm running 1,500 watts of my antenna, a 4,000 monoband Yagi at 38 meters or 30 meters. I'm sorry, 30 meters. And we have others on frequency. We have others on frequency.
咁微弱都信號都可以揸取到佢嘅音頻信號嘅。
Six Mike. Six Mike, go. Okay, thanks, Frank. 4 Fox 7 Whiskey Papa X-ray. 4 Foxtrot 7 Whiskey Papa X-ray. This is Whiskey Echo 6 Mike. All frequency there. Whiskey Echo 6 Mike. Whiskey Echo 6 Mexico. You're 3-3. 1-2-3, 1-2-3. 1-2-3, 1-2-3. Over.
呢個距離係非常之近嘅嚇，應該係唔超過500英里嘅呢個。
4 Fox 7 Whiskey Papa X-ray. 4 Fox 7 Whiskey Papa X-ray. My call, November 7 Echo Kilo Delta. November 7 Echo Kilo Delta. You're 4x4, 44, 44. QSL?
八重洲嘅對信號嘅揸取比較靈敏嘅嚇。
November 7 Echo Kilo Delta. Over. Yeah, great December. This is JA. Okay, back to Red.
呢個係非常之遙遠啊！呢個嚇，咁而家呢，就能夠睇到呢度都係超級粉絲嚇，好多謝你嘅收睇㗎嚇。咁每日朝早嘅通聯佢哋幾乎照例喺個鐘數，好多謝你嘅收睇。嗱，有微弱嘅信號都可以揸取㗎。
JA2 Queen X-ray Yankee 4, your partner from N, over.
Okay, so that's JA2 Queen, that X-ray, I believe, I must have gotten that wrong. JA2, give me your call sign again.
Yeah, okay, this is US Alpha 2, Quebec X-ray Yankee. Japan America 2, Queen X-ray Yankee, good morning, good evening, 59+10, May 4, nice to meet you again, over.
Yeah, beautiful thing there. Yeah, we've worked several times before. I'm sorry, I think I can call incorrect. Nice picture going on. Supporting your solid 5.9 plus maybe 10 to 15, 5.9 plus 15, a J2XY from NR6.
Yeah, okay, great. NR6Q, this is JJ2, Queen X-ray Yankee. Yeah, okay, thank you very much for 10-15. And WE6M is 4x7, and the MOX7 Echo 2 Delta is 5 and 9. That's it, right over.
Yeah, okay, very good. You're actually in my guys. What is my report? You may have sent it, but I didn't get it in my one. What is my report?
Yeah, okay. Taking 15 dBs what I a little bit today at 10 to 15. That's not using only feedback or in isolate.
Okay, very good. Well, you're doing very well. Very well. 5.9 plus 20. So.
八重洲對於微弱信號嘅揸取係有獨特嘅有佢獨到嘅之處㗎。 加上15級降噪，咁呢種設置呢，就係、基本上可以滿足到一般通聯嘅需求嘅。
Thank you, Greg. I do. Juliet Alpha 2, Queen X-Ray Yankee from November 6, Zulu Bravo Charlie. Norway 6, Zulu Bravo Charlie. Hawk, you are 55, 55 near Los Angeles, California. Over.
Yeah. WA6M, JA23XY. Yeah, someone else is calling you, Hawk. This is Whiskey Echo 6 Mike here, 59 plus 10, Hawk, 59 plus 10, over. Yeah, okay, good morning. Whiskey Echo 6 AM, JA23XY. Please come by Philippine Station. So now 4x7, 5x7 QSL. QSL to 57, QSL to 57. We have others calling you. We got others calling you, so please listen up, Hawk, and thank you for the contact. Go ahead, John.
Japan Alpha 2, Queen X-Ray Yankee from November 6, Zulu Bravo Charlie. Norway 6, Zulu Bravo Charlie. You are 55, 55 near Los Angeles, California. Over.
I'm sorry, not a little bit later. The figure goes on. Could you please repeat again?
好咯，能夠睇到呢度超級粉絲嚇，咁每日早上嘅通聯就嗰個活動，佢哋嘅超遠距離嘅一種互相聯絡嘅感情嘅一種活動。咁今日嘅視頻就到呢度欣賞下，好多謝你嘅收睇，點個關注，下回更新不迷路，謝謝。